Listening longer of our generation, we was the son of adoration to say. Let's do makeup and hair with me. It's a get ready with me. Please watch till the end. Follow if you are from TikTok. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you're watching me from YouTube. A good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we are going to do a 2-in-1 video. The background is not going to affect our shooting. These are the ingredients or the tools we're going to use for our makeup or our hair to be done so quickly. We've got another, we've got a head scarf, we've got a concealer, high definition, we've got this sponge, we've got lip balm, of course this one is colorless, two pencils, eye pencils, dark black and brown. Makeup, lipstick today is chocolate and nude. Makeup, lipstick today is chocolate powder kiss beauty primer. This one was a gift from one of my subscribers. Thank you so much. Powder kiss beauty primer. Then we got the green tea primer again. Fresh primer. This is the best primer again. It's called Sleek Makeup VIP. Fresh primer. This is the best shop number 47. It's called Sleek Makeup VIP. That is I got it shop number 47 Street on BD Perfect No Blemish Balm and it rose water setting spray. Here we go with amla oil, vitamin C dark spot, pure active mate. Sunscreen is Wakali, a gift again, thank you so much. We've got a scratch, a brush, and then a gift again. We've got a scratch, a brush, and then bobby pins, lace, then bridal pins. I love bobby pins, and then fun comb, spray bottle, and then makeup brushes, and then sponges. Let's begin. Spray bottle, and then makeup brushes, and then sponges. Let's begin. Beauty blenders. Sorry, I began by moisturizing my face. This matte and dark spot corrector, and then I went in with the dark spots. I started filling in with concealer. You see my face is oily. I don't have the best skin yet. I'm still working towards that, and we have reached now. I can say I am improving. I started off with a powder just to make my makeup last. And this is concealer, dark spot corrector. There are different kind of concealers that I am using on this specific video, so it depends with how your skin is. Currently my skin has broken out because of things I understand myself, so I am starting off by defining my under eye. I am oily like I said, so with this area I tend to sweat a lot. Of course, I'll start with a darker concealer and then go in with a lighter one. With the beauty blender, I go in and start blending. With a beauty blender, you have to dip it inside water so that it can absorb these products. And then you'll have to blend in very well. Blending is the main thing when it comes to makeup. With my eyebrows, they are not shaped, but I'm encouraging you guys to shape them with a razor or anything of this so that you can make it. It depends, but I'm not a bad girl when it comes to shaping my eyebrows. I'm starting in by kuzipaka na tip top just to make it shine. And also with my eyes, I go in with a moisturizer. It depends with you if you can do soap. Soap is also another method. You can try it and it's going to work for you. With this one, it is optional. I'm going in with the dark eye pencil, but if you can handle the eyeliner, the main one, my eyes are very sensitive when I use that. That is why I don't use it. With my eyebrows, you have to know your eyebrow shape is shaped with your nose. The end tail goes in with the end side of your nose, and then the middle part goes in with the center part of your nose. You start to fill in. I'm using a brown eyebrow. It depends. People who are super brown, they can use black. But for me, chocolatey, mingy, I use brown. It's optional. Shaping my eyebrows, I go in with a high definition concealer. Take your time and make sure that your tail is popping, and then blending is not an option. You need to blend. I am not a pro when it comes to brushes. That is why I like using this car sponge. So with the brushes, I'm not a pro, not unless I am applying someone makeup. I do it the best. But when it comes to me, I have not perfected yet. Highlighting your nose, you have to use your makeup tools very well. You highlight your nose so that you make your face shape define itself. So with the round face, it's not too much work like I've seen, because I'm round face. But with the counterpart type of face, it's a little bit a job. Filling in the eyeshadow, like you saw me do it, I started off with a moisturizer, and then I start filling in the eyebrows. You start with the one that is darker, and then you go to the one with lighter. With the lipstick, my lips are always moisturized. I scrub my lips with lemon at least twice in a week. So sis, it's not optional. You cannot be applying lipstick and your lips are not well hydrated. Number one, drink water. Number two, make sure your lips are well scrubbed. I'm going in with chocolatey with this beige lipstick, and I love the color that it gives me. It gives me a nude look. That is it. Highlighting, I'm trying with this brown eyebrow. There is a lip liner, but I don't like it. Basically, you can try it if you want to outstand or shine out. Depends with you. My makeup is done. I'm going in to set with rose water, and that is it. Very simple, very elegant, and I love the outlook the rose water gives me. Next, we are going to my baby. We're going to the hair. Moisturizing my hair, I'm going to start in with a mixture of jojoba, amla, and coconut oils. Just one tip about hair care. I'm encouraging you to mix different kind of oils, and then you'll have to see different changes in your own hair. So with me, I am low porosity. I go in with lighter oils, and if you are high porosity, definitely go in with solid oils. That is just the secret. Number two, my hair is virgin, not blown out. So you might do this style and then the texture doesn't come out like the way you've seen mine. Then understand maybe your hair is blown out. I'm trying to come up with this style. I really don't know which style it is, but let's just go with the flow. So if you're watching me from Facebook or from TikTok, please follow back. If you're watching me from YouTube, for the new subscribers, thank you. Welcome to the family. We are 1.55. For the returning ones, thank you so much. I see you. My people from the US, thank you so much for supporting my channel. You guys are amazing. And then we follow with the UK, and then Kenya, my home. And then we follow with Nigeria and Ghana. Thank you so much for supporting my content. So I did this scent part, and I sectioned it apart, and then I started tucking in with bobby pins. If you're styling your hair, make sure you got bobby pins. And if you've watched me for some time, I don't seek for perfection. I just do my thing. I do my thing, and whatever comes, comes. I'm not going to tell you that you need to do it perfectly. Just do whatever you feel like you can do it. We are natural. We are natural. We are not doing those wigs so that we can perfect. With the wig, you need to be so much strict so that it blends with your color or anything of the sort. But I don't know if someday I'll come up with the wig content. I just don't know, but maybe in my next season of life. So I tucked in the front part to the almost middle part of the section that I did at first, and then it is just basically roll tucking or twist tucking, whichever way. Whichever way. When you are tucking your hair with these bobby pins, if your hair is long, try to use long bobby pins. If your hair is short, try to use short bobby pins. They are in different sizes. So when you purchase them, make sure you're not being sold something just for the sake of the dead stock. You need to get the right thing for the right purpose for a good look. For the side again, we had to do like that. If you're watching this, you need to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's sheisjacinta. We're sending down for a generation. We're raising of adoration to say we will not worship any other God. Nipangue isiongezeke, mimi nipotee, wewe ongezeke. Nipangue isiongezeke, mimi nipotee, wewe ongezeke. Pale nimefika, sio mimi, ni wewe. Hata yale ninafanya, sio mimi, ni wewe. Nipangue isiongezeke, mimi nipotee, wewe ongezeke. What I'm using to spray my hair is basically water. It is just pure water and nothing inside it. But you can add your favorite moisturizer if you don't want to keep moisturizing your hair. If your hair is not well detangled, get a spray bottle, sis. There is nothing better that you can get yourself if you want to go natural. Minus a spray bottle, it will help you to style your hair, especially if you are virgin like me. Your hair is going to outshine. It's going to be of definition, of a high definition, and also DIY recipes, i.e. aloe vera juice. Number 2, rice water. We need to come up with such a video. Did you know that rice water is a DIY recipe that you can use on your hair and have thick, longer hair? Last but not least, you need to trim. So finishing up this style, I'm going to spray everything with water and then tie in a scarf. Then we are going to be back in a few minutes. This is basically to define the hair texture, although it is optional. There are some, if you're using a gel, then you're good to go. This is the outcome of this hairstyle. What do you say? Give me a sweet comment, and please follow back, subscribe, share, comment, and see you in the next one. Please check my previous videos. If you are a Christian lady, please join Ladies of Modesty. This is a global ministry. Our mission is to inspire ladies to fulfill their God-given callings in ministry. Remember, be the love, spread the love. Jesus Christ loves you unconditionally. This is the other side of a modest. My name is Jacinta. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my content. And thank you so much for following back. Until then, see you, and don't forget to find your purpose and chase it like nobody's business. Tomorrow is not promised. We live a day trusting in God. So find what God created inside of you and chase it. Do what makes you happy, and you're going to get fulfillment. Until then, obrigada. Don't forget to check the description box if you're watching me from YouTube, and subscribe to our other channel.